Hey babes, my name is Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing this all Anastasia Beverly Hills makeup tutorial from head to neck. Well, technically from head to toe because I even have highlight all over my boobs as well. So from head to toe, Anastasia makeup look. So keep on watching. Okay, so let's get on to this tutorial. I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Brow Wiz in Granite. And it's this little pencil and it has a little spoolie at the end. So first I'm going to take the spoolie and brush out my brows. Then I'm going to take the end and fill them in. So I decided to change this into a voiceover instead, fixing up my brows with Granite. Now I'm going into the Modern Renaissance palette, taking Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange, mixing them together to kind of create a base and translucent kind of effect. Putting that on my crease. Beautiful. And now I forgot what that color is and I can't see it for right now, but I'll put it in the description box below. I'm just taking that with a Morphe brush, and now I'm taking Love Letter and packing that onto the outer corners, and then eventually dragging it inward and making sure I blend everything out, packing that on the outer V again. We're dragging that into the crease a little bit to create a little effect. Taking that orange shade once again. I did cut my crease with something that was not Anastasia, and so I am not mentioning it in this video. Now I'm taking, I don't even know what that color is, but you can see where it is on the actual palette. Again, I will be taking it into the description box below. Taking Love Letter again, packing that on, making sure I take that brow bone highlight to the extreme. Now I'm going with the Stick Foundation by Anastasia again. This is in the shade Tan, and I'm just doing everything. Taking a little blender and blending that all in, making sure I got the whole thing all blended out. Blend, blend, blend. I didn't show me applying it on my forehead because I'm pretty sure you would know what that looked like, so I'm just showing the blend. Now I'm going in with, I don't even know what it is. I guess it's like the yellow shade on the cream contour kit. This is the medium cream contour kit. So first I kind of apply it lightly, and then I go in and I keep blending it. Blending is literally life. Making sure I just blend everything in so it blends in with my foundation. Now I'm taking that darker shade and using it to bronze up my face. I do blend that in as well. I take it onto my temples as well as my jawline, and then I will go in under my chin, and of course, to blend it all out, you have to take so much time into blending with the beauty blender or any type of blender, because blending is life. If you do not blend, everything looks crazy, and so I blend as much as I can everywhere. And of course, the glow. So I haven't used this in quite a while. It's in the color purple, the liquid glow, and I just got a random brush and started applying it because I didn't want to apply it with my fingers, so I did that first. And taking it up onto my cheeks. Again, down the bridge of my nose to brighten that. And now taking the contour kit, Anastasia, of course, and I'm blending that light pink shade and the yellow shade together and packing that under my eye. This is to set the foundation, to set the concealer, to set everything. I take that and then I go in with my bronzer in that same palette and bronzing up all over my forehead, my temples, chisel down my cheeks a little bit. I also take it onto my jawline. Yes, you want to make sure you look as clean as possible. So again, I go in with that powder to brighten as much as I can to make sure everything looks blended. Blending is the word of makeup. Oh my god, you have no idea. Now I'm taking the highlights. This is the Amrezy and Anastasia highlight. Ooh, that glow, baby, especially over the liquid glow. Oh my god, that is literally life. You go 1, 2, and boom, you look like you're the sun. You glisten like the sun in the sky. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So I do take that all over my body because why not? Of course, my shoulders, my little bones there, and then down my neck on the sides. As you can see, my ears, of course, my normal highlight, and then my brow bone. I do take it into my brow bone, down my nose again, the tip, and now I'm using I don't know what color I'm using right now. I actually forgot, but I will list it down below. Again, the Anastasia, and I kind of tried this out as a new little trick. Ooh, so beautiful. And I decided to put it on my waterline to see how much it popped. And I feel like at first it did pop, but I don't really know if it stayed on or how long it stayed on my waterline. Now, this is also a new trick. I decided to apply it. I wanted to do it before lashes, but it didn't quite work well. Now, I am going in with the liquid lipstick in Hudson. This is obviously Anastasia as well. I actually have the small version of it. I don't have the huge version. That's why you see the stick looks a little bit smaller than normal. But I do kind of outline my lips. I don't have any liners, like lip liners from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't know if they actually make them, now that I think about it. I mean, I feel like they would, but I honestly have never seen them, so I don't know. But the beauty that is this color, oh my god, it matches so beautifully. And if you have not seen my pictures on Instagram, oh my god, you will see how beautiful it looks. So this is the end result. Like if you enjoyed this video, comment down below your thoughts or what other brands you want me to do an all brand makeup tutorial, and subscribe to my our crazy little kingdom we got going on over here. So I love you guys. Bye.